Hello friends, welcome to Vitish Academy. And today in this presentation, we are going to solve an example on arithmetic progressions. So, given that the product of two numbers is 91 and their arithmetic mean is 10, then we have to find two numbers. So first, let us consider A and B as the two numbers. According to the question given that the product of two numbers is 91, that means here A into B is given as 91. And also given that their arithmetic mean is 10. So here we just divide the sum of these two numbers by 2. That is, we can represent this as A plus B divided by 2 is equal to 10. So here this we can write as A plus B is equal to, by cross multiplying we get 2 into 10 as 20. Now let us consider this as equation 2 and this as equation 1. Now observe that we have two terms A plus B and AB. Now let us consider a formula here which contains these two terms. So we have a formula here, A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Now with the help of this formula, let us solve this example. And now here we have the value of A plus B as 20. So let us substitute. So we get here 20 whole square minus 4 into AB. Here AB is nothing but 91. So this would come as 20 whole square as 400 and 4 into 91 would come as 364. So we get here the value of A minus B whole square as 36. Now if we transfer square to the other side, we get this as A minus B is equal to under root 36. And we know that 36 is a perfect square root and its root is 6. So here we get two possibilities for the A minus B as plus or minus 6. Now let us consider this as equation 3. Now with the help of equation 2 and equation 3, we can find the values of A and B. So in equation 3 we have two possibilities, that is A minus B is equal to 6 and A minus B is equal to minus 6. So first let us consider this case 1. Here we consider the equation 2 and equation 3. So we have equation 2 as A plus B is equal to 20, and in equation 3 let us consider A minus B as 6. So on solving these two equations, here we can subtract plus B and minus B, and by adding here A plus A we get 2A. Coming over to the RHS side, here 20 plus 6 would come as 26. Now let us transfer 2 to the other side. So we get here A is equal to 26 divided by 2. On simplifying over here, we get 2 1 time is 2 and 2 13 times is 26. So therefore we get the value of A as 13. Now let us substitute A value as 13 in equation 2. So let us see what would be the B value. So on substituting in this equation, we get 13 plus B is equal to 20, and by transferring here 13 to the right hand side, we get B is equal to 20 minus 13. So on subtracting 13 from 20, we get the B value as 7. Now let us consider the case 2. Here equation 2 would be A plus B is equal to 20 and equation 3 would be A minus B is equal to minus 6. Now on solving these equations, we can cancel over plus B and minus B, and by adding A plus A we get 2A. And coming over to the RHS side, here 20 minus 6 would come as 14. Now let us transfer 2 to the other side. So we get A is equal to 14 divided by 2. On simplifying, we get 2 1 time is 2 and 2 7 times is 14. So therefore we get the value of A as 7. Now let us substitute the value of A as 7 in equation 2. So we get this as 7 plus B is equal to 20. And by transferring 7 to the other side, we can write this as B is equal to 20 minus 7. And therefore we get B is equal to 20 minus 7 as 13. So observe that when A minus B is equal to 6, we get the value of A and B as 13 and 7. And when A minus B is minus 6, we get A value as 7 and B value as 13. So in both the cases, we got the two numbers as 13 and 7. So we can conclude that the two numbers are 13 and 7. So this is how we solve an example. In our next coming up videos, we are going to solve few more examples. So stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.